Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and here is a short follow-up video to my previous dark mode for Facebook iOS, or the dark mode on the app. A lot of people don't like the previous video, which I clearly stated was a workaround because the official dark mode has not been released for all users. Some users have it, so if you're one of the lucky users that have the official Facebook dark mode, just open up the app. Go down to the bottom right hand corner here, and then you just scroll down, and under settings and privacy, if you have it, it will appear here. So the thing is that it's not been released on all users. I don't know why Facebook have decided to do this, probably for testing purposes or whatever. I had it appear for a short while. I had it for about a week, about a month ago. And I fortunately did take a screenshot of it. So this is what it will look like if it's available. It'll just be right there under settings and privacy. And you can just switch the dark mode on. The dark mode is already available in the Messenger app. In the Messenger app, it's just in the settings on the top left-hand corner. You can just switch dark mode on. And if you don't know, there's a dark mode for the entire iPhone. So you just go into settings, and then under the control center, you can add different things to your control center. And one of those you'll see I've added already is a dark mode right there. So that will, see, you can add all these extra items. That's when you swipe up or swipe from the top left corner, depending on what version of the iPhone you have. You will then have this little button right here, which will turn dark mode on and off. So on my previous video, I was basically only doing it because I just noticed a trend. Heaps of people want to know how to put dark mode on Facebook. This is Google Trends, how to set up dark mode on the app. It's mainly the app people want to know. You see, this is like high search and breakout. So I'll link these articles if you're really that interested. It's not a huge deal. If you don't have it on your iPhone yet, you're just going to have to wait. By the time you're watching this video, it may very well be on everybody's devices. But you can see here, tons of people are still searching for how to get the iPhone dark mode. There must be lots of people with sensitive eyes. So, you know, I copped a lot of negative comments and thumbs down on my previous video just because I was showing people that there was a workaround using the smart invert until such a time as getting the actual official dark mode on Facebook. So, you know, it's the internet. People are petty. They have no life. We've got a lot of keyboard warriors. So to all those people who were annoyed about that, that's your problem, not mine. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you've got the dark mode on your phone already. And if not, you're just going to have to wait until check in every so often until that appears there, and then you'll be able to enable that. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.